yung pinaka-climax. Pwede kayong magharap dyan ng IV at maaari mo nang halikan ng iyong asawa. Esensyado ang halik na ito. Okay, it's your turn. Bawal tumingin ang mga matatanda. Bawal tumingin. Kaya okay, dadako po tayo sa signing of marriage contract.
And that's the end of our wedding ceremony.
Okay, closer po. Mas closer pa po. Ayan. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Thank you so much. Pwede na pong umupo. Family of the bride, Virgin family of the bride.
Ninong save lang po sa kanila. Side lang po yung side. Tapos, umisa po tayo. Umisa. Umisa po. Ninong. Umisa. Yeah. Okay, eyes here. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Lahat po ng LCC family, punta na po sa Lapal. Yun and Agod, please join the group.
Ready, eyes here. One, two, smile. Mas closer pa po. Ayan, thank you. One, two, smile.
Okay, lastly, family of the bride and the groom. Again, both immediate family ng aming couple. Immediate family of the bride and immediate family of the groom, please join the group.
Next, please. Thank you. Okay, eyes here. One, two, smile. Take closer po.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much everyone. And mga bridesmaids and groomsmen, magkakaroon pa po kayo ng recessional with our couple.
Dalawa lang kayo. Kasama kayo. Late kami. Okay, one, two, smile. Okay, closer po. Three, two, one, go! Kaya sa couples.
Ay, may tipo. Tipo na may tipo. Pag nag-kiss mo yung couple, sigawan lang mo lang.
Tapos sila pa siya.
Nasa mga ano ba yun? Huwag kong hindi ako nila. Kasi wala na, tatlo kayo wala.
Sasagutin lang ang tawag ko.
Ang kinabahan po ang magulang ng bride. Mukhang mapapalaban daw sila ngayon. Let's continue with the parents of our lovely bride, Ivy. Let's give it up for Daddy Edwin Estrella and Mommy Dianita Estrella. Pride and Team Room to officially welcome our new events this afternoon. So this time, I am requesting, ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome the happiest couple of the hour. Sabay-sabay tayong makingay for Jack David and Ivy, Mr. and Mrs. Diaco. Just keep eyes on me, I said you're holding back. Shut up and dance with me, this woman is my destiny. She said, shut up and dance. Ladies and gentlemen, our new Lord Papa. This woman is my destiny. She said, shut up. Ladies and gentlemen, everybody, sabay-sabay po tayong sumigaw ng mabuhay ang bagong kasal after the count of 3 in 1, 2, 3.
Mabuhay ng bagong kasal!
Everybody, one more time. Mas malakas, let's all say mabuhay ang bagong kasal after the count of 3. And after that, bigyan po natin sila ng pinakamalakas na palakpakan this afternoon. Let's all say mabuhay ang bagong kasal in 1, 2, 3.
Mabuhay ng bagong kasal!
Congratulations! Ramdam ng energy ng maritang people ngayong araw nito.
Father, thank you for this beautiful day. Thank you for the newlyweds, Brother John David and Sister Ivy. Bless their life, bless their family, their starting one. Bless their every move, every step, every thinking they are planning for their life. Panginoon, we know your blessings are upon them, but we ask for another blessing, another bigger plan in your life, because they are willing to stay in your life, stay in your plans, and stay in your church. Panginoon, salamat po sa lahat ng bagay sa Panginoon Jesus.
Thank you so much, Mr. Binay. Tradition, meron naman akong tanong. Let's start with you. Ano pakiramdam to our girls and David, your family, your friends, your relatives are here despite of the bad weather today. They are all here celebrating this wonderful day with you guys. Ano nararamdaman mo as of the moment?
Ayun po, siyempre, sobrang masaya and nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat na umatay sa kabila po ng bagyo. Alam mo po na ang bawat isa ay nag-effort po talaga. Kasi po yung mga nahirapan talaga pumunta dito. Pero salamat po sa mga buhay niyo dahil sinare niyo po yung time niyo para po sa moment namin.
Yes!
That's our lovely bride, Ivy. What are your expectations today on the whole reception program? Ano ina-expect mong mangyari sa buong programa natin this afternoon?
Ang ina-expect ko lang po ay mag-enjoy ang bawat isa. Nag-enjoy po ba kayo?
Yes!
And of course, mapusog sa pagkain inihanda for each and every one. And of course, as your host, my goal is to make this event memorable, not only for you guys, but for everyone. We will make sure that everyone will go home with a big smile on their faces. Even though we have a short and intimate wedding program, we will make sure na ma-enjoy ko ng lahat ng mga bisita natin today. So, are you guys ready for the first tradition for this afternoon? Ready? Ladies and gents, this celebration will not be completed without the first dance of our newlyweds. So ladies and gentlemen, it's my privilege once again to present to you our newlywed couple, John David and Ivy, Mr. and Mrs. Tiaco, for the first dance. Isang malakas na palakpakan. Ladies and gentlemen, bigyan naman po natin ng isang malakas na palakpakan. 10 seconds. Timer. Starts. Oh, 10 seconds. Timer starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,